In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram post in group chat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then just scroll down Instagram feed until you find a post that you want to share with somebody, and after that just hit right here at that airplane icon to show up that options. Here you need to check mark a group conversation where you want to share the post. In that way you can use search to search for some specific group conversation, or you can hit at that icon to create new one. After selecting a conversation, just hit on send button to share this post to a group conversation. Now you can open up DMs icon and then you can open up group conversation where you can find a post that you have just shared. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.